Struggling to find a laptop bag that's both stylish and practical? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, ArcaYard Rolling Backpack for Women. Let's kick things off with the ArcaYard Rolling Backpack for Women, priced at $65.99. What caught my eye here is its stylish design combined with practical features. If you want a chic rolling bag that meets your travel needs, this is worth a serious look. The ArcaYard combines vertical and horizontal storage options, making packing a breeze. With multiple compartments and 18 pockets, it can easily accommodate your essentials for a 2 to 3 day trip. The potted compartment fits laptops up to 15.6 inches, so you can feel secure knowing your device is protected. Plus, the lockable zippers add an extra layer of security, which is huge when you're on the go. Now, here's why this matters for you specifically. The combination of a retractable aluminum handle and smooth rolling silent wheels means you won't be dragging around a heavy bag, even if you're navigating busy airports. It's water resistant too, so light rain won't ruin your day. This bag has already sold over 700 units in the past month, and it's easy to see why. But let's be real, some users mentioned that it can be a bit bulky when fully packed. Now, some people complained about the size being overwhelming. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who needs to carry a lot, that extra space can actually be a blessing. It really depends on your travel style. This is perfect for you if you're a student or a business traveler who values style and function. Skip this one if you prefer a more compact option. Honestly, for $65.99, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. Now, if size is a concern for you with the ArcaYard, the next product takes a more streamlined approach. Product number 2, Amazon Basics Rolling Laptop Bag. The Amazon Basics Rolling Wheeled Laptop Bag retailing at $61.18. This bag caught my attention for its simple yet effective design. If you want a lightweight option that's easy to roll around, this one deserves your attention. This bag is designed for on-the-go professionals with a dedicated compartment for laptops up to 15.6 inches. The easy access front pocket keeps your smaller items like pens and notepads organized, so you're not digging through your bag every time you need something. The locking handle and smooth wheels mean you can zip through the airport without hassle. This is crucial if you're a frequent flyer. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The lightweight design, only 5.08 pounds, makes it perfect for those who are tired of lugging heavy bags around. Plus, it easily fits under airplane seats, which is a major win if you want to avoid checked baggage fees. With over 500 units sold this month, it's clearly a popular choice. However, I did notice some complaints about the limited space for larger items. Some users felt it was too small for extended trips. Here's the thing though, if you're just doing day trips or short business trips, this compact design actually works in your favor. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a basic but reliable bag for everyday use. Skip it if you need something that can carry more than just your laptop. At $61.18, it's a solid value for a straightforward bag. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for travelers who need a bit more space. Product number 3, ArcaYard Rolling Briefcase. Third on our list is another winner from ArcaYard, their rolling briefcase for women, priced at $63.99. This one grabbed my attention because of its sleek design and thoughtful features. If you're looking for a rolling bag that balances style with function, this is definitely worth considering. The standout feature here is its waterproof pockets that safeguard your valuables from spills. It also has a padded laptop compartment for devices up to 16 inches. The TSA-friendly design means you can open it up 180 degrees, making airport security a breeze. This is a lifesaver if you travel frequently. The bag has already gained a solid reputation with over 500 sales recently. Here's why this matters for you. The durable telescopic handle and silent wheels make it easy to maneuver through crowded spaces. Plus, it's stylish enough to take into meetings, so you won't feel out of place. It really combines practicality with an elegant touch. But I noticed some users had issues with the weight of the bag when fully packed. Now, some people complained about it feeling a bit heavy. Here's the thing though, if you fill it with your essentials, it can feel weighty, but it's still manageable and worth the trade-off for the features. This is perfect for you if you're a professional who needs both function and style in a bag. Skip this one if you mostly travel light or prefer a smaller bag. For the price, it strikes a great balance between cost and quality. Now, if you want something even more spacious, the next product might just do the trick. Product number 4, Luggage Rolling Laptop Bag. Coming in at number 4 is the Luggage Rolling Laptop Bag, retailing at $60.79. I was impressed by its airline-approved size and versatility. If you're looking for a bag that can double as a carry-on and fits your professional needs, this one's definitely worth looking into. This bag features a TSA-friendly design that opens up 180 degrees, making airport security clear-cut and efficient. It fits laptops up to 17.3 inches and has a main compartment that can hold both clothes and tech gear. The durable telescopic handle and silent wheels ensure that you can glide through any busy terminal without fuss. Here's the kicker. This bag is lightweight yet durable, crafted from high-density polyester, which means it won't weigh you down. Plus, the ability to convert from a rolling bag to a handbag is a nice touch if you're navigating stairs or crowded areas. With over 400 sold recently, it's clearly resonating with users. However, I did hear some complaints about the lack of internal organization. Some users mentioned they wished it had more pockets. But here's the thing, if you prefer a more open space to quickly toss in your items, this might actually work in your favor. This is perfect for anyone who wants a versatile bag for travel and daily use. Skip this one if you need a super structured internal layout. At $60.79, it's an excellent value for a quality bag that meets multiple needs. Now, if you're looking for something with a more rigid frame, the next product is just what you need. Product number 5, StarCloud Rigid Frame Bag. We have the StarCloud Rigid Frame Rolling Laptop Bag, priced at $99.98. This bag caught my eye for its sturdy frame and organized storage options. If you want a bag that can withstand the rigors of travel while keeping everything well organized, this one is worth checking out. The rigid frame ensures your belongings are protected and maintains its shape, which is essential for business travel. With a potted laptop sleeve and multiple organized compartments, you can keep your chargers, files, and other essentials in order. Plus, the dual charging ports mean you can keep your devices powered while you're on the move, which is a fantastic feature for busy professionals. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The TSA-friendly 180-degree flat-open design allows for quick airport checks, saving you time. The water-resistant fabric protects against spills, and the bottom skid bar reduces wear, making this a reliable choice. With over 300 units sold this month, it's showing strong demand. However, it is more expensive than the other options. Some users felt it was priced too high for a rolling laptop bag. But here's the thing, the quality and organization it offers truly justifies the price if you travel frequently and need a dependable companion. This is perfect for business professionals who demand both style and function. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or don't need a lot of organization. For $99.98, it's an investment in quality that pays off in the long run.
We have the stylish Arcall rolling backpack, the street-forward Amazon Basics option, the elegant Arcall briefcase, the versatile Love Book bag, and the sturdy StarCloud rigid frame bag.